Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to my online class. So today we will learn second chapter from your moral value book. The chapter name is Reality of Life. So all of you open your books, page number 9. Let's start. Reality of life means what life actually is. Okay? जीवन की वास्तविकता. Okay, this universe is a creation of God. So we all know that the universe is created by Almighty God, right? Man is one of the best creations of God. So among all the creations, man is one of the best creations of God. As he is intelligent and can take his own decisions. Why man is known as the best creations of God? Because he is intelligent and can take his own decisions. And other animals like cow, horse, they cannot take their own decisions, right? So man is the only creations which can take his own decisions and are intelligent also. Okay, man is ambitious means man has a strong desire to achieve particular goal. An ambitious man works hard to achieve a definite goal. So to achieve particular goal, man works hard to achieve that. Our parents and teachers are a source of inspiration and they constantly motivate us to achieve the best in life. So, our parents and our teachers, they are source of inspiration and they constantly motivate us to achieve our goals. Okay? They also show us the path to achieve our goals, right? Reading also inspires us and motivates us. So readings inspires us and motivates us. It gives us knowledge, pleasure and inspiration. Reading gives us knowledge, pleasure means enjoyment, and inspiration. A man who does not read lacks knowledge and inspiration. So if a man does not read books, then they lack knowledge and inspiration. Good books help us to gain noble thoughts. So if we read good books, it helps us to gain magnificent idea. Noble thoughts means magnificent idea. Okay, our life can be compared to a long journey. So our life, the human's life, can be compared to a long journey. Our life is a long journey. Okay, our life is like a chariot and the four wheels of our life are ambition, responsibility, curiosity and ability. So our life is like a chariot. Chariot means rot. Okay, and the four wheels of our life are, so chariot has four wheels, so our life is like chariot. So that means our life has also four wheels. What are the wheels? Number 1, ambition, responsibility, curiosity and ability. Okay, if maintained properly, these four wheels carry us to our destination. So if we maintain all these four wheels properly, then we can reach our destination without any doubt. Okay, we all work and it is our basic necessity. So all human beings work and it is our basic necessity. But if we do not take a break and work continuously, it will harm our health and can cause serious health problems. So work is very important for us to achieve our goals, to reach our destination. But we also have to take a break. and work, because if we do not take a break and work continuously, it will affect our health and can cause serious health problems. Okay, a short break helps us to rejuvenate ourselves and bring us joy and happiness. So a short break helps us to give new energy and bring us and give us happiness. Okay, this helps us to get back to work with enthusiasm. It helps us to work with interest. Okay, a joyful attitude is a sign of a relaxed and cool mind. So we have to maintain a joyful attitude, and if we take a short break, our mind will be relaxed and cool. Okay, so short break is very necessary. Okay, relationship, joy and laughter are necessary for our life. So relationship, our friends, our family, our relatives, joy and laughter are necessary for our life. Man is a social animal. Why? Because man cannot live in isolation. We need our friend circle, our playmate, our relatives, right? So because of this, man is known as social animal. We should behave properly with all the members of the society. So we live in a society and we should behave properly with all the members of the society. We must always greet all our elders and friends with a smile. So we should respect our elders and friends with a smile. Okay, smile is a universal language of kindness. Okay, we must take care of the needy, the poor and the old people in our society. So we must take care, we should help the needy people and the poor people and also the old people in our society which live in our society, in our neighborhood. Okay, we should fight every battle bravely. So we should brave in our life, because there are many obstacles that we have to overcome. Okay, that we have to defeat. So we should brave in our life and we should fight every battle bravely. It helps us to make the journey of our life easy and simple. So if we fight every battle bravely, then it helps us to make the journey of our life easy and simple. A smile is the most valuable and precious thing in our life. So we should keep smiling. Okay, we can make others feel comfortable by our smile, because I have already told you that smile is the universal language of kindness. Okay, our life is always full of struggle and we have to work hard according to our abilities. So life is a long journey and it is full of struggle, and we have to work hard and according to our abilities. Abilities mean talents. Okay, we must plan our life in a proper manner. We should have a proper plan for our life. Life is also full of events. So in our life it is filled with many events. It consists of many ups and downs. So at a stage there are many ups and downs. Okay, challenge is the need of every moment, and we must have courage and determination to accept all the challenges of our life and never lose heart. So challenges are coming every moment and we should accept all the challenges of life and never lose heart. Okay, we must have confidence to face the challenges in life. So we must have the confidence so that we can face the challenges in life and make our life simple and easier. A man with a strong willpower can surely succeed in almost every work he does. So, a man who has a strong willpower means sankalp shakti, can surely succeed in almost every work he does. He confidently overcomes all the difficulties and with strong motivation he pushes himself on. So, because of his confidence and strong motivation, he can push himself on. Gradually, he finds that all the troubles disappear from the path one after the other. So, if we take challenges, if we accept all the challenges bravely, then we can make path and we can find all the troubles disappear from the path one after the other. So we should, or we find a clear path, okay, without any struggle, without any obstacles. He then reaches his goal and he is crowned with success. So if we work hard, if we have confidence and motivated ourselves, we should always reach the goal. And the man who has motivation, who has confidence, he then reaches his goal and is crowned with success. He will definitely succeed in his life. Okay? Moral. What is the moral of the story? A strong motivation leads to a successful life. So, a strong motivation leads to a successful life. For a motivation, we should succeed in our life. So, this is the moral of this story. So, students, I hope you all understand this story. It is a very motivational story. So, what we have to do? We have to do hard work, we have to study at proper time, we have to do homeworks, and we should confident in our every work, and we should motivate ourselves that I can do this. Then you will definitely succeed in your life. Okay? So students, you have to read page number 9 and 10 and send your audio. Okay? So it's your today's class. In our next class, we will discuss the exercise part. Okay? So thank you. Have a good day.